everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cut up a full chicken into individual portions. It's better to buy a full chicken at the store and cut it up yourself rather than buying a pre-cut up chicken at the store. Because one, it's cheaper, and two, you get a backbone with the chicken so you can make stock with it. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to detach the legs and the thigh from the main body of the chicken. We're going to cut along this part here. And as you can see, like so. Okay, you can feel the bone here, and you're just gonna pop the joint of the thigh out. Once you pop the joint out, you can just cut in between here and just cut the thigh off of the main body of the chicken. And then we're gonna see, we got the chicken, we got the thigh and the drumstick off. And then we're going to do the other side. And we have another drumstick and thigh. Okay, now to separate the thigh from the drumstick, what we're going to do is we're going to follow the fat lines. So as you can see, right between the thigh and the drumstick, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna chop straight through the fat lines. The fat lines are exactly where the joints are, and you can cut easily through the joints rather than the bone. So we're just gonna cut through the fat line. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing here. We can see the fat lines are right there. Right here. Okay, and then we're just gonna chop through them. Easy. You'll know if you're not chopping through the joint, because it'll be really hard to chop through. So you can experiment with that yourself. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the wings from the chicken. So this is a little bit harder. You have to actually look for the bone. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start by holding the chicken by the wing, and we're just gonna cut around here so we can try and find the joint so we can cut through it easily. Okay, you can feel around in the chicken. So right now, you can feel the tip of the bone where the here. You can feel the joint right about here. So we're just gonna cut straight through there. And there we go. We got the wing off. You'll know if you're not cutting the joint again, because it's a lot harder to cut through bone. Okay, then we're gonna do the other wing. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to separate the breasts of the chicken from the backbone. What we're going to do is we're going to cut along this line here. This is the fat line we have. You can do this perfectly fine with a knife, but I like to use Poultry shears. They are, of course, OXO brand. And we're just going to cut straight along this white line here. You should be cutting through ribs. You should hear cracks of bones and stuff. I'm gonna do it on the other side too. There's also fat lines on this side. You can see the fat line right here. We're just gonna cut the backbone off. Look at the backbone. Okay, so next we have the breast. So you want to separate the breast in half. What you're going to do is you want to score it, I guess, yeah. Score. You're just going to score the bone. See the line that I made right here? You're just going to score it a little, okay? Then you're going to place the chicken breast on there, and you're going to press down, and you're going to hear it crack from the bone.
We'll make a crack sound.
So as you can see, the bone has been split into two places where I cracked it. And now we're just going to slice it straight through the bone and separate them. There, okay. So now for the part, so you don't need to slice the breast in half after this, but we're gonna, because for the particular recipe that we're making, that's what we need to do. But you can keep it as whole pieces, or you can just cut it in half, whether you want. If you're gonna cut the breast into two pieces, what you want to do is you just want to slice through the breast, and then you need to crack the bone, because there's a bone at the bottom. Right, like this. Just slice through the bone. And also, you want to keep the bone on the breast, because when you keep the bone on the breast, it makes the breast juicier. You notice how a lot of chicken breast is usually dry, the bone somehow makes the chicken breast a lot juicier than it normally is, which makes it really tasty.
Scissors.
And that is how you cut a chicken into parts. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.